If anyone's going in there, it's PJ. We are on the other side of the island. Oh my gosh. Oh, we are getting worked out here. Worked with a capital W. Oh my gosh. Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside guy. My name is Derek, and we are going on, can you tell? We're going on a long-range trip today, so we decided, we, meaning PJ and I, he's already launched right now, we decided to bring the extra gas here, and we got our super rack packed and ready to go with the extra gas. Where are we going? I'll give you a hint. I'm actually in Long Beach right now at Davies boat launch ramp, and we're gonna head over to Two Harbors. And today, this would be a first-time ride for me and a first-time ride for PJ, I do believe. So this is gonna be a good trip, but I can tell you right now, the winds are definitely up. They are at, right about now, I'm gonna say, I remember correctly, it's about 9 miles an hour. So kind of iffy going on the way out, but right around by 11 o'clock or so, we're looking at 11 to 13 mile an hour winds. So that's gonna be a bit choppy of a ride. Hopefully we'll beat the winds on the way there, but it's definitely going to be a bit windy on the way back. So stay tuned for that. But skies are blue. Take a look. We're doing okay right now, guys. And like I said, PJ has launched. He's in, and it's my turn. As always, I am the last one, even if it's just two of us. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get launched. All right, guys, we're going to make our way to Two Harbors. That's kind of the point that we're going to. And then we're going to make our way to the northern tip of the island. And then we're gonna cruise down to Two Harbors again. And we're just gonna cruise the coastline today. So something I've never done. So some new things to see today as we head out over the Pacific Ocean today. It's looking pretty good today. Like I said earlier, we're at about 9 miles an hour of wind right now. Most likely picking up to about 11 or 13. And the skies are blue, it's warm. And I'm wearing shorts today. Yep, you saw it here first. I'm in shorts. I'll let you take a peek here of what's in front of us. A little bit of ripply water here today. All right, and for this long range ride, as you can see, as I mentioned before, we both have our super racks on here today. I'm taking care of the gas load, and PJ is taking care of the ice, water, and food load with his super rack, and he's got his Yeti inside that super rack. So I think we'll be good to go for today. If you've ever launched out of Davies, you gotta let me know in the comments below, because the no wake zone is not too bad out of Davies boat launch ramp. But I gotta say, if you're launching out of Newport, man, that thing's about like a half hour just to get out of the no wake zone. Here, not too bad, maybe about 10 minutes or so, but good enough distance for us to launch from here right over to Two Harbors, and it's about a 30-mile one-way trip. All right, guys, we've made our way out past the no wake zone, and we already got white caps. It's gonna be a wet day, but nonetheless, here we go. Check it out. Woohoo! All right, we got 30 miles of this to go. So get ready, guys. Hang tight. I'll catch up with you in just a moment. Here we go. Oh my, okay, so we're going straight into the wind here. So we're gonna make a little course correction, and we're gonna kind of go in here at an angle and then work our way up. We've got some good sized swells here this morning. The Two Harbors is like dead ahead here, so that gives us right into the wind. So we're gonna be going a little bit more of an angle to cut some of this out, which will make the ride even better.
you're going to be just launching off them continuously. But what we're trying to do is go south a little bit and ride the waves through. And then once we hit Catalina, it's going to be smoother going north to two harbors. But again, you have to read the waves when you're out here. It's hard to fight it when you're inside of it because there's a lot of cross swells coming through on the inside. But once you come out in the Pacific over here, again, you kind of want to read it because you don't have to have such a hard time being out on the water. You just got to look and see what direction the swell's going. Again, you want to try to surf them through, not try to attack them straight on so you're launching every single time. It's just going to beat you up non-stop. You're going to be bottoming out and everything. It's no fun. It takes a toll.
What he said. Exactly. Yeah, we were hitting these swells head on, and I gotta say, even with the extra weight in the back, I'm launching a little bit. I'm actually landing a little bit more softly too because the tail is hitting first with all that gas in the back there. So, but it's okay. It's not bad, but
yeah, but I mean there is swell right now. So
yeah,
that's the thing. Down south, it's 3 to 5 feet. It's all pushing.
Yeah, these swells, they're large. You guys ever have that sinking feeling where you go up and then you go down? That's what we're doing. Now the waters are blue though. That's looking nice. All right guys, we're gonna keep trekking forward here. Like PJ said, we're gonna try to hit these swells at an angle, and then when we get close enough, we'll head in. Here we go. Wow, so that was much better. Attacking these swells at an angle definitely helps out so much better. All right, you probably can't tell, but we're just about there in two harbors. I think we're gonna make a quick pit stop, tie up just for a little bit, and then make our way up and down the coastline of Catalina. We made it. If anyone's going in there, it's PJ. Yeah, I'm not gonna go in there. No. Should have got your picture in there. All right, quick pit stop here at Two Harbors. Really, it's just kind of a bathroom break, really, and then we're gonna go out and explore. So we're not gonna really tie up to a mooring here today. We just tethered side by side. I was having a hard time figuring that out, but I think we got it. All right, bathroom break done. Let's get back to the ski. All right guys, we are gonna head northbound to the most northern tip of the island right now. We're gonna make our way down there. This will be the first time for me. DJ, first time for you down the tip? Nice. Okay, so first time for the both of us, all the way down to the northern tip of the island. This will be cool. Stay tuned. Here we are, we're getting closer. I thought that was it right there, like, we made it! No. There's a lot more to go. All the way down there. Oh, wow. Ain't never been over here before. Nice aqua blue water here. This is amazing. One thing you got to be careful about when you're getting too close to shore is all that kelp is sticking out of the water. I was just so transfixed on looking at the shoreline and the scenery, and this kelp pops up on me. I'm like, uh-oh, you don't want to get that stuck in the impeller, do you? Is this great or what? The swells over here are quite swelly, for sure. Wow. There's all that kelp in the water. Wow. Look at this aqua blue water. Oh, how beautiful. All right, it is getting really rough out here. We're getting closer to the tip of the island, and it's getting quite bumpy, I gotta tell you. All right, here we go. We're almost there, I think. Oh boy. We made it! We're here! Oh my goodness! We are on the other side of the island. Oh my gosh. It is crazy wavy out here, guys. Oh my gosh. You don't even want to be out here right now. Let's go back. Yeah. Straight open ocean behind me, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. We made it. Look at these swells. Wow. All right, I'm gonna put this camera down before I flip over. Oh my gosh. I'll be right back. Wow, definitely not a ride for the new rider. Oh no. We were tossing and turning up and down. You gotta pay attention where you're going around here, especially all these kelp beds. There's rocks sticking out over here. And you gotta pay attention to the swells. Oh my gosh. What a trip. Wow, what a trip. Finally got to a place where we can just kind of chill here and just go slow. Nice little harbor here. Very nice spot. All right, I think we found the spot. It's sandy too, so we just got to make sure we be careful for the tide change and don't get the ski stuck on the sand, right? Here we go. Well, I don't know if we're gonna stay here for too long, but it is nice to get off the ski, I gotta say, in this awesome part of the island right here. Totally secluded. It's awesome. So we found this nice little spot here, just where we were beached over there a little bit, I gotta say. I was getting a little nervous because we beached our skis and then the water started pushing it up on there, so oh my goodness. A little tough getting off the beach. Oh, we found this nice little cove in here where we are really out of the wind. And we're able just to relax and eat. So I think what we're gonna do after this, guys, is we're gonna head back south, trail the island some more, hit back to Two Harbors, see what we got left for gas. I think we're doing pretty good on gas, actually. Yeah, I got a little over a half a tank right now. What'd you bring for lunch? What's that? Oh, chicken. Leftover chicken. PJ's got leftover chicken. I did a homemade turkey wrap with some spinach and some seasoning and some stuff. So we're just sitting in this little place here. So I think where we're sitting right now, I'll show you guys, it looks like it's a camp, like a getaway retreat or camp or something like that. Like all campground up here. You see all the canoes, park benches, all the places to stay. Hey PJ, we go back to Two Harbors, kind of see what's going on, or just make our way down. They finally got one. Everybody's rushing to go see what's up. All right. So we just went back to Two Harbors for a quick break, and now we are cruising the Catalina coastline, going southbound. All right, guys, gassing up on the water. It's my first time. How about you? Gotta love the 𝙎𝙐𝙍𝙧𝙀𝙧 though. You don't have to tip them upside down. Gassing it up on the water, first time, without having to dump the gas can upside down. This is pretty easy. We're not going to use the other 5. We want to put that 5 in the middle. right, guys, just a tad bit southbound there, but had to fill up for some gas, so we are ready to go. All right, making our way back to Long Beach. It's about 3:15 right now, and we are going to be getting seriously wet on the way back, that's for darn sure. But here we go. I'll give you guys some clips along the way. It's gonna be a bumpy one for sure. Check it out. Oh my gosh. We are getting worked out here. Worked with a capital W. Oh my gosh. The winds are coming right here to my left-hand side, and boy, I tell you what, drenched all the way. Oh my goodness. So we can still see the island behind us, so we got a little bit of ways to go. Hang tight, we're getting worked out here. Now, I gotta say, I've had a lot worse out here on the Pacific Ocean for sure. This is actually not too bad. Well, it is bad, but it's not too bad. So I gotta go catch up to PJ now. I'll see you in a quick moment. Oh wow. We were plowing through 25, maybe 30 miles an hour out in this stuff. I had to stop. We had to stop. I had salt water in my eyes. Oh gosh. Oh, talk about getting worked. How you doing, PJ? La 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 la. Oh man. There was one time we were coming back from Two Harbors and we can only go like 18 to 20 miles an hour. Luckily we came up behind some dude's boat, so we rode in the wake most of the way until he had to veer off and we had to go the other way. But oh my goodness, compared to that day, right PJ, this is a little bit better. Woo! Yeah, I know, can see it. Hallelujah. All right, there we are, guys. That's where we gotta go. We gotta go a little bit to the left there. We are almost there. Oh, the swells are huge. The swells are big, and the wind is coming in this way. Oh my goodness. I don't even think my belly button is dry. Oh, almost there. Woo! Wow. Okay, guys, we made it. We've been in the no wake zone for quite a bit of time now. We got a good workout this afternoon coming back. There was a good time where actually probably about the middle of the Pacific somewhere, it just flattened out just out of nowhere. So we were thankful for that. Wow. But coming in today was a doozy. We got something to share with you guys really quick here. So we're gonna dock up here in just about a couple of moments. So stick around, PJ and I got something to share with you here really quick, and then we'll let you go. All right? All right, guys, we're coming right up on the dock here. Oh, under the bridge we go. All right, guys, gonna get docked up here real quick, and stay tuned. We got something to share with you guys real quick. All right, guys, we are docked up. Like I said, we got something to share with you real quick. So PJ, hit it.
Yeah, first ride back to Catalina. Definitely a fun adventure, but rough.
That's right.
It works on your body, so
Yeah.
you got to prepare for these long rides. But the great news is we got to experience the North Tip for the first time, so that was pretty amazing.
That was cool.
Yeah, that was really cool.
That was cool to see.
Again, conditions weren't the best, but sometimes you just got to get out there. That's the best thing that you can do.
Yeah, that's right. That is our first trip of the year to Catalina.
Yeah.
This year. Wow, and it's
Yeah.
May.
Yeah, and the water
Wow.
warmed up
It did.
lot.
Yeah.
So it's really nice out. Little wind cold or wind chill, but water was fine.
Yeah, on the way back, we're just getting that wind splash from the left side constantly. Yeah, what a ride. That was my favorite thing to see today was the northern tip of the island. That was so cool. And it was pretty rough out there too.
Yeah, but the good news is that we got the ride coming up in July.
That's right.
So look out for that.
Yep.
If anybody wants to come along, please shout out to Derek.
Yep, right here, guys. January 26th is our next ride to Catalina. We'll be leaving out of Dana Point to Catalina, Avalon that is, and back. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. So I'm gonna let PJ go get his ski out of the water.
Yep.
And we'll see you here in a quick flash. All right, guys, and that is it. You heard it, July 26th. If you are around, if you want to go to Catalina, if it'll be your first time, you've never been, you can go. We're expecting tons and tons of skis and friends to go with us. Anyway, guys, it's been an amazing day today. What a wicked ride today, I gotta say. It was rough, but it was fun. We knew the wind conditions were going to be there when we got up this morning, or we knew yesterday, actually. We knew the winds were going to be up, but we've done this ride several times before, so we got just a tad bit of experience and know how to handle the water. Well, at least the best that we did today. All right, guys, I'm gonna get my Sea-Doo out of the water right here, right now in Long Beach. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And don't forget, make today your best day, because tomorrow isn't promised. Until next time, I will see you on the water.